Hello students. Today we'll study about the random probability distribution. So probability distribution, first we have to learn some terminology like random experiment. So random experiment. Second is sample space. And third is random variable. So some random experiment you already know, like suppose two dice is thrown. So what is the possible outcome? So if dice is thrown, that is called random experiment. So if two dice is thrown, then what will the possible outcome? This all 36 will be the possible outcome. So if 36 outcome you distribute in such a way that add the both value and it comes something that is called sample space. Like if suppose 1 comes, then 2. So 2 can come by any other method? No, 2 cannot come by any other method. 3 come by 1 through or 2 1. So 3 come by 2. Similarly 4 come by 3 outcome. 5 come by 4 outcome. 6 similarly. So what will be the probability of this? So probability of this will be 136. This is 2 by 36, 3 by 36, 4 by 36, 5 by 36, 6 by 36, and you add it, that will be 36 by 36, that is equal to 1. So what we have learnt? We have learnt that is the random variable is the sample space domain of random variable is the sample space of random experiment. So it is domain, that means no outcome should be left out. All the outcome will be the member of one of or the other random variables. So total probability will be 1. So that means sigma px, x is random variable, is equal to 1. So p p2 is what? P2 is 136. P10 is what? P10 is 3 by 36. Similarly, so 2 to 10 you add it, it will be 1. So this we have learned that what is the random variable, what is the random experiment, and what is the sample space. This all outcome is sample space, and we segregate in the random variable. So random variable can be defined in this way only? No, it can be defined in so many ways. Like if you get rupees 10, if same numbers come, same numbers means 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5. Similarly 6 6 it comes. And if you lose 5 rupees, and then others, for others. So what will the sample random variable? Random variable is 10 and minus 5. What is the probability? Probability, this is all 6. So 6 by 36. That means 1 by 6. And remaining 30 by 36. Then this is 5 by 6. So add it, it will be 1. So this is random variable, and this is probability of that random variable. So this is tabulated, this is tabulated, this is x, this is px. So what is expectation? Expectation or mean, both are same. Mean. What is expectation? Suppose you add it, you multiply it. So 2 by 36, expectation of 2 will be 2, E2 will be this one. E3 E3 will be 3 into 2, 6 by 36. E5 E5 will be 5 into 4 by 36. So this is called expectation or mean value. So expectation and mean value. So expectation and mean value will be, suppose Ex you have to find. So that is Ex into X. That is the expectation, expected value. So uh, so this is the formula for the mean value or expectation. So what is the formula for variance? So variance you have studied in variance you have studied in statistics. That is sigma x square minus mean square. That you have already studied. So here same thing will do. So here variance is equal to sigma px into x square minus mean square divided by n, or 1 by n. This is the variance. Now we will know about the discrete random variable. Discrete. So what of the example we have seen, that is a discrete, because discrete is number of outcome of sample space will be countable. You can count the numbers of outcome. Here total 36 numbers of outcome, 36 numbers of outcome. So if you are able to count then this is discrete. And continuous, what is continuous? It's you cannot count. Like numbers of population is 5 feet 4 inch height. Very difficult. But in interval it can be done, like 5 feet to 5 feet 4 inch. So approximately it can be done, and probability of this will be in the interval. So we'll study further for the continuous. Now we'll solve some question on discrete. Now two-person A and B play a game of tossing coin thrice. If the result of outcome is A get 2 when from B, if the result toss is tail and B get 1.5, let X denote the gain by, and C, random variable is defined as X denote the amount gained and or lost by A. So this is a discrete. So how it can be defined as the function of the sample space. That means table you have to provide. So what is the first sample space? Sample space. So suppose all is head. First one head, two tail. So one head, two tail, or one head, two tail. Now two head, one tail, two head, one tail, and one tail, two head. So how many? One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, and 1 tail, tail, tail. So total 8, 8 numbers of outcome. That means is it discrete? You can count it. So it is discrete. So that is proof. Now what is X? X is amount gained or lost by it. So here if 3 head is there, then he will get 2, 2, 2. That means 6. So 1x is 6. Here he will get 1 and he will lose 3, that is minus 1. So 1x is minus 1. Another other x is he is getting 2h. 2h means 4 he will get or lose 1.5. That means another x is 2.5. Or here 333 he will lose minus 4.5. So this is the random variable. Now what is the probability function? Probability function, this is the only one. So 1 by 8. This is 3, 3 by 8. This is also 3, 3 by 8. And this is 1 by 8. So what will be the expectation? How much A will gain? So expectation is Px into x. That is 6 by 8 plus 7.5 by 8 minus 3 by 8 minus 4.5 by 8. So this is 8, 6, 7, 13 point. This is sigma px. Here is a 3 and here 3, 6, 6 by 8. So he will get 3 by 4. So he should play that he will get a positive. If it would have been negative, then it expectation is will be negative. So now come to the next question. A bag contains one red ball and two green balls. One ball is drawn from the bag at random. Its color is noted. Then ball is put back in the bag. One more will drawn from the bag at random. Its color is also noted. Let X denote the number of red ball from the bag drawn, red ball drawn from the bag and bag described below. This and the bag is described. Derive the probability distribution of X. So what is the sample space? Sample space is first red, second is also red. So first red, second is also red. So is first is red, second is green. Then first is green, second is red, and third is red, red, green, green. So what is the sample space? Sample space is the X denote the numbers of red ball. So numbers of red ball here what? 2, here 1, here 1, and here 0. So sample space is 0, 1. Random variable is x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. So this is the probability 1 by 4. This is the probability 1 by 4. First is this probability is 1 by 3 into 1 by 3, that is 1 by 9. So this probability is also 2 by 3 and 2 by 3, that means 4 by 9. This probability is 2 by 3 into 1 by 3, and this is 1 by 3 into 2 by 3. So this you add it, so 2 to 4, 4 by 9. So this is also 4 by 9, and this is 1 by 9. So here probability is 1 by 9. So total probability is 9 by 9. So what is the expected value of rate? So expected value, just add it, px into x, px into x. So 2 by 9 plus 4 by 9, that is 6 by 9. So expected value of coming rate is 6 by 9. Number of rate coming is 6 by 9. Now come to the question number 3. Two cards are randomly drawn with replacement. From Bell shuffled 52 cards. Find the probability distribution of the number of aces drawn. So two Bell shuffled pack of 52 cards. So 52 cards that have 4 aces. So first ace, second ace also come, or what come, a ace and non ace, or non ace ace, or non ace non ace. So what is the probability of this one? This one is 4 by 52 into 4 by 52. This is 4 by 52 into 48 by 52. And this is 48 by 52 into 4 by 52. And this is 48 by 52. This is 48 by 52. So this is a number. So number here 2. This is number 1. This number 1. This is number 0. So what is the probability of that? 13, 13. That is 1 by 169. This is the probability. Here what will the probability? 1 by 13 and 12 by 30. So 12 by 169. 12 by 13, 1 by 13. That is 12 by 169. And here 12 by into 12 by 169. So probability distribution will be x0, x1, x2. 0 is how much? 144 by 169. This is how much? 12 plus 12. 24 by 169 plus 1 by 169. So that is equal to 169 by 169 is equal to 1. Now come to the fourth question. A fair die is thrown. X denote the number of factor of the number on the upper face. Find the probability distribution of x. X what number of factors. So what is the sample space? Sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much number of factor? 1. This is 1 and comma 2. This is 1 comma 3. This is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. 3, no, it's not 3. 1 comma 3 comma 4. So number of factor is 3, number of factor is 2, number of factor is 2. Here 1 comma 5. Here number of factor 1 comma 2 comma 3. So here number of factor is 3 and 6 is also there. So here number of factor is 4. So 2 how much? 2 by 6. 3 how much? 3 by 6. 2 1 2 and 3. So 3 by 6. This is 3 by 6. This is only one can occur. So this is 1 by 6. This is 3 by 6. 1 is 1 by 6. This is 3 by 6. This is 1 by 6. And this is also 1 by 6. So numbers of factor x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, x is equal to 4. So what will be the px? Px 1 is 1 by 6, 2 is 3 by 6, 3 is 1 by 6, and 4 is also 1 by 6. Total is equal to 1. So now come to the next question. Find the probability distribution of the number of doublets in thrown of three thrown of pair of dice. Number of doublets. So 3 dice is there. 3 thrown of dice. 3 thrown of dice. So number of doublets. So suppose anything comes, then probability of anything is coming is 6, and that number is not coming in this is 5 by 6, 5 by 6. So number of doublet, so no doublet, this is no doublet. One doublet, so one doublet is 1 by 6, and this is also 6, and this is 5 by 6. So this is one doublet. So this is how many times it come. It can come as like this also, 5 by 6, 1 by 6. This will come this also. Three throws of pair of dice. Three throws of pair of dice is still. So this is wrong. So first, second, third. So no doublets. No doublets means here 1 by 3 throw of pair of dice. So no doublet. Here also no doublet. Here also no doublet. Here also no doublet. So probability of coming doublet. Probability of coming doublets is 6 by 36. That is 1 by 6. And probability of not coming doublet is equal to 5 by 6. So here also for no doublet x is equal to 0. So this will be 5 by 6 into 5 by 6 into 5 by 6. Probability of coming one doublet. So 1 here 1 by 6 into 5 by 6 into 5 by 6, or 1 by 6, 5 by 6, 1 by 6, 5 by 6, or 5 by 6, 5 by 6 and 1 by 6. You add it, that means probability of double is outcome is P and not outcome is Q. Then what will be the three trials is there? Three trials means 3 C, and we want one success. So P to the power 1 and 2, Q to the power 3 minus 1 is 2. So you add it, same thing is equal to 3 into P. P means 1 by 6 to the power 1 and 5 by 6 to the power 2. This is the same thing, either you do by this method or you do by this method. So x1 is equal to this one. Now come to for two doublets. So two doublets will be 3 into 1 by 6 and into 5 by 6. Or you can simply two doublets, you can calculate by this method also, into 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 into 1 by 6 into 5 by 6 plus 5 by 6 into 1 by 6 into 1 by 6. So that also you can find out. So now this is for two doublets. This is for x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3 doublet. So 3 doublet, that is 1 by 6 into 1 by 6 into 1 by 6. So that will be 3 doublet 1 by 216. This will be 75 by 216. And this is 125 by 125 by 216. And this 0 125 by, this is 2 15 by 6, 15 by 216, and this is 75 216. So you can tabulate. How to tabulate? x0, x1, x2, x3. So 0 1 by 216, this is 15 by 216, 75 by 216, and this is again 1 by 216. So, total and 125. This is 15 by 216, 75 by 216. One is 75 by 2. One is 75 by 216, and this is 75 by 216, and 3 is 15 by 216. So total 216 by 216, that is equal to 1. Now come to the question number 6. 6 is actually is like that. Total it has not come properly. So now here is x, here is ex. So here is 0 0.1, 1k, 2, 2k, 3, 2k, 4k is given. This probability distribution is given. Then you have to find the value of k. First question. So let's find the value of k. This all should be equal to 1. That means 0.1 plus k, 2k, 3k, 3 to 5k, 5 plus 1, 6k. So 6k will be 1. So 6k is equal to 0.9. Therefore, k is equal to 0.9 by 6. That means 0.2 by 3. So 2 by 30. So this is the value of k. One 1 by 30. 3 3 is 2. 0.3 by 2. So 0.3 by 20. So that means 0.15. This is k. Now we have to find p p x is less than 2. So what is the value of x is less than 2? This is k value point, that is 0.1, and this is 0.15. This is 0.3. This is also 0.3, and then this is also 0.15. So total added, this will be 1. So k x less than, that means this one and this one. So 0.1 plus 0.15. So that will be 0.25. Now p x greater than or equal to 3. So greater than equal to 3, this one and this one. So 0.3 and 0.15. So p greater than 1 by 3, 0.45. So this is 0.45. And again p between 1x and 4. So 1 included. That means this one, and this one. So 0.3, 0.36, and that is 0.15, that is 75. So this will be answer. It will be the answer 0.75. And now P2. So 2 value is what? 0.3. So 2 value is 0.3. P2, if you find out, then it will be 0.3.